everyone. We are going to explain how volcanoes erupt. My name is Kianj. My name is Vanshika. My name is Dhanvir. And today we are thrilled to present you the fascinating world about volcanic eruptions. Volcanoes are one of the most powerful and amazing forces of nature. They are like Earth's fiery mountains that sometimes erupt with hot molten rocks and gases. There are three layers of the Earth's surface: crust, mantle, core. When there is too much hot inside the mantle melts the rocks, turning them into a thick molten liquid called magma. When pressure builds up, the magma finds its way through the surface through the melt, and that's what we call an eruption. And when magma reaches to the Earth's surface, it flows like lava, and when it hardens, it turns into rocks. To help us understand how a volcano erupts, we have created a working model. In our model, we will use baking soda and vinegar to mimic the eruption process.
Okay, explain the process. First, what will we take?
First, we add baking soda.
Slowly, okay?
What is it you're getting?
What is that?
Food coloring. Food coloring. Hand wash. Now the main ingredient is vinegar. The tallest volcano isn't on the Earth's solar system but on Mars. Thank you.